Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite without password. Okay, in the beginning I would say that please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime and that's also unethical. Also, we need to have in mind that in the method that I will show you, we need to perform a factory reset using the recovery mode, and it will cause this that all of our data will be deleted from our device, so have that in mind. If you don't want to lose your data, you can always try to go into the authorized center with the proof of purchase, and in that place you can try to look for help. In here I'll show you a method thanks to which our device will be unlocked, but we will lose all of our data. So as you can see, my screen lock is set, and what to do now? We cannot normally power off our device because it will still want a password from us, so we need to perform a force restart, and during a force restart we need to change a button combination. But before we begin, important thing, to enter the recovery mode we need to connect our device into a PC or laptop using an USB-C cable. It is necessary, so plug your device, and now we need to perform a force restart. First we need to hold the power button and volume down button at the same time, and when the screen turns off we need to quickly change the combination, and we need to start holding the power button and volume up button. So let me show you how it works. Keep holding power button and volume down button, and now quickly change the combination. Okay, we are in recovery mode right now. To move around this menu, we use the volume keys. We need to select wipe data / factory reset. Remember that all of your data will be deleted, so it's the last chance to stop. Select wipe data / factory reset if you want to confirm. Now again select factory data reset, confirm by clicking the power button. Data wipe complete, we can see it on the bottom. Now select reboot system, now click the power button. And now within a few seconds the device will be turned on, and the next thing that we need to do is to set up our device. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.